Hey, are you concerned about your Samsung phone's privacy? It's important to keep your device secure with the password, PIN, or pattern to protect your personal information. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up easily. Let's get started. First, go to the settings, scroll down slightly, then tap on the lock screen. After that, tap on screen lock type. Here, you'll see the PIN/password and pattern options. So first, I'm going to show you how you can set a PIN. To do that, tap on PIN, say your new PIN code number, then tap on Next from the keyboard. If you set an easy PIN, it will suggest you to set a difficult PIN. Or if you want to use the simple PIN, then tap Use Anyway. But I recommend you to set a difficult PIN. Then again, tap Next from the keyboard. Enter this PIN again to confirm it, and tap Next once again. Let's how to set a new password. Tap on Password, enter your new password. Before that, make sure to enter at least 4 characters and a letter. Otherwise, it won't accept. After that, tap on Next from the keyboard. Enter this password again to confirm it, and tap Next once again. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to set a pattern. To do that, tap on Pattern, drag your finger and set a pattern, and then tap on Continue. Again, drag the same pattern, and then tap Confirm. Alright everyone, that's how you can keep your device secure with the password, PIN, or pattern to protect your personal information. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.